Thanks for joining us for today's video, where we will walk you through the installation instructions for the FloorMuffler UltraSeal Premium Underlayment. This installation method can be used for any of our UltraSeal products. Before you begin your installation project, make sure you have the following tools: a broom, a utility knife, FloorMuffler UltraSeal Underlayment, and the flooring installation tools recommended by the flooring manufacturer. The FloorMuffler UltraSeal is a moisture barrier and includes a lip and tape system that allows for moisture protection without the need for additional films or tapes. Step 1. Make sure the subfloor is structurally sound, level, and free of dust and debris. FloorMuffler UltraSeal will eliminate minor subfloor imperfections, but make sure to check for protruding nails and/or any defects in the subfloor before installation. If installing over concrete, the concrete must be dry with moisture emission rates that do not exceed 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet for 24 hours, as measured by the industry-approved calcium chloride test. Step 2. After your subfloor is prepped, start in a corner and unroll FloorMuffler so the film side is down and the UltraSeal film can open out towards the room. We recommend running your underlayment at least 2 inches up the wall to allow for any potential moisture to travel and dissipate out from under your floor. This excess material will be trimmed after installing your flooring. Step 3. Once your first roll of underlayment is laid on the subfloor, unfold the UltraSeal film, extending it from the foam. Step 4. Roll out the next roll of FloorMuffler UltraSeal, making sure that the foam seams are butted together without overlapping one another. Step 5. Remove the adhesive liner from your second roll and press firmly to adhere to the UltraSeal film of the first roll. Repeat these steps until your project is complete. Make sure to install your flooring per the flooring manufacturer's instructions. Once your flooring install is complete, trim the excess underlayment from the wall. You're now ready to enjoy your complete flooring system.